Hi guys, this is Janhvi Kapoor and you're watching me on Asian Paints Where the Heart Is. Welcome to my home. A home actually isn't just the four walls that you buy or the sofa that you put in or color of the walls, but I think it's what you make of it. It's the choices, it's the love that you bring into it, it's the feeling, it's in the memories that you create in your house. Each fabric and each color means something beyond just, oh, this will look good here. In my room, I felt like I needed a lot of peace, a soothing energy, therefore I chose those colors. Maybe 5 years down the line, I'll be ready for a little more chaos, a little more adventure, and then maybe my room will reflect that. And like I said, a house is what you make of it. It is your responsibility to infuse it with memories, with love, with joy. So like these plates, Dad bought this in Dubai. I think he kind of felt like the face reminded him of Mom a little bit. Looks like a younger mama. And yeah, I think he just thought it was a fun, quirky piece to have in what was seeming like a relatively serious, minimalist, modern home. I love this painting. I love that it's on a teal backdrop. I love how colorful it is. I think it's something that you'd imagine in a more classical type of house, but we have it in a modern setup, and I like that contrast a lot. I even particularly love the lantern that we have in the corridor on the second floor. It's kind of old world in a very charming way, and I like the juxtaposition of old meets modern. As you guys might have noticed by now, silver has been a recurring theme and color in our entire house. I mean, although the house is extremely minimalist, I think one good way to add a shade of opulence into the interior is the use of metallic colors. Silver's a good way, it's a good color, it reflects a lot of light in a way that white doesn't. I mean, white reflects the most amount of light, but it also makes, I think, surfaces a little flat. The silver goes with the cooler toned walls, it goes with a lot of the upholstery. It's an oxidized kind of silver, it's not a bright, jarring silver. Silver can both be extremely modern and minimalist while also be used as a material for more classical ornaments. In fashion, I know it's a cardinal rule to not mix silver and gold together, but we've done that a lot at home and I actually quite like it. It works well with the theme of our house. If you're inspired by the decor of my home, go to beautifulhomes.com by Asian Paints to get the perfect style guide.